faded denim, tumbling round and round, last of my chains. When it stops, they're done. They're still damp when it's done spinning. I'll roll my windows down, leave it to the breeze and to the sun. I haven't found a way to part with living lease to lease, someone else's shit lying around. Another dingy old apartment, dirty dishes in the sink, same old place, just in another town. And I still ain't caught that train. Don't know how much longer I can wait. No, I still ain't caught that train. I guess I'm the one who's running late. When I was young, I always reckoned someday I'd get it right. Ah, but some days come and gone, passed on by. My dreams run a distant second now to my morning days and nights. I feel them go another at a time. If I finally reach that station, step aboard that train, I know I'll miss all these things somehow. And I still ain't caught that train. Don't know how much longer I can wait. No, I still ain't caught that train. I guess I'm the one who's running late. Aboard that train, I know that I'll miss all these things somehow. And I still ain't caught that train. Don't know how much longer I can wait. No, I still ain't caught that old train. I guess I'm the one who's running late. I'm the one who's running late. Still ain't caught that train. Ooh. Still ain't caught that train. Ooh. Still ain't caught that train. Thank you all very much.